Hey guys, just wanted to show you kind of like an update video of what I got done before it snows. We're supposed to have a big storm tomorrow. Tomorrow and Tuesday, they're talking up to 17 inches of snow. That's what they say anyway, but got the porch pretty much mellowed out. Just a few things that were dropped off to me today. That's clean. Got that loaded. That's the compressor out of that furnace or AC unit. God, it's been a long day. Shred here. Just did these rads. Cut off all the copper. Still got all these TVs to do, but it's progress. Got this pretty much mellowed out. I'll probably take in the copper and the wire and stuff just so. Because I got a job coming up. You might remember the military steel. I got to cut up some more of that, so I got to refill my torches. Yeah, so pretty much been busy since the last video. I did some 55s that were here, and like probably 20 or 30 small TVs. Buddy of mine dropped these off, and now I gotta go through them, because Board Sort will separate the ones with the internal batteries from the ones with the keyboards. So these are worth like $5.50 a pound, whereas the flat screens, like the smartphones, are worth, I think, $1.25 or something. And there's some tore up ones in here. There's internal battery ones. There's some in here that are easy. Before, Board Sort used to not separate them, so I gotta reorganize my storage unit. That's another thing I did, is I took a load of board stuff to my storage unit. A bunch of telecom boards and such. Got that pretty much dwindled down there. Just a little typewriter. These are all like spray paints and stuff that I got from a job. Like 4 buckets to go through, some empty buckets. Just, you know, I wanted to get this spot clear so I could walk, for one, and for two, when it snows, it won't completely soak everything. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much the same stuff in the trailer. The guy dropped this off today. Some small stuff here. Toaster oven. Just a bunch of random stuff. Yeah. So, I'm gonna get ready to close up. It's about, I'd say about 5:30, 6 o'clock. I don't even know. I've been working since about 12. So I'm gonna get ready to close up and